Hey guys, welcome back to Ali's Travel Channel and my new video from the sophisticated city of Vienna. I didn't realize we booked our Airbnb in such a building. Look at the stairs. Is it 19th century? What? The apartment itself was charming too.
Okay guys, so I think it makes sense to start our day with Stephansplatz, one of the most important squares in the center of Vienna. As you see, it's full of people, although it's Thursday, October 31st. So yeah, let's take a look.
Stephansplatz is widely considered to be the heart of Vienna, home to the iconic St. Stephen's Cathedral. The bustling square is a hub of activities with iconic buildings, luxury shops, and charming cafes. St. Stephen's Cathedral, or Stephansdom, is Vienna's most famous landmark, a breathtaking Gothic masterpiece dating back to the 12th century. Its multicolored tiled roof, featuring the Austrian eagle and Vienna's coat of arms, is one of its most striking features. Inside the cathedral, visitors can admire intricate altars, stunning glass, and a massive Pomeranian bell, which tolls on special occasions. Beneath the service lie the cathedral's catacombs, where Habsburg royalty is buried. Stephansplatz also connects Vienna's past and present with sleek modern architecture like the Rathaus house, standing in contrast to centuries-old landmarks.
As I mentioned, it's October 31st, Halloween night, and Vienna is preparing for the Christmas market. Isn't it too early? But whatever.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you.
The next place on our list is the Hofburg Palace, the principal imperial palace of the Habsburg dynasty in Austria. It was built in the 13th century and it's located in the center of Vienna, in the heart, I would say, heart of Vienna, yes.
And you'll be enough if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now.
You know, I find it really struggling to make a photo today. Like so many people, Vienna is so popular. Yeah, it was my dad, but that's fine.
Inside, you can explore the fancy imperial apartments, the City Museum, and the stunning Austrian National Library. Since we had only 2 days in Vienna, we decided not to go inside the museums, but to spend as much time outdoors as possible, admiring Vienna's architecture. However, I would love to come back and visit the Austrian National Library because I've seen the pictures and it looks amazing.
And by the way, it served as a winter residence, while the Hofburg Palace was a summer residence. Amazing, I would also like to have 2 houses.
You'll find the imperial treasury here too, filled with treasures like crowns and royal jewels.
If you're giving me your love, giving me your love, all that we have is each other now. I promise I won't be.
Today, Hofburg is where Austria's president works, mixing old royal history with modern politics.
Beautiful. It's amazing. Amazingly beautiful.
For those who admire art, the Albertina Museum would be the perfect place to visit. Well, we had to skip this part in sake of time saving. Right in front of Albertina, you'll see the magnificent Vienna State Opera building. Opened in 1869 with a Mozart performance, it's still a symbol of Vienna's deep love for music.
I've already been to Vienna in 2019 and the weather was pretty similar. It was cloudy, a bit chilly, and yeah, it's kind of a nostalgia because the times were different back then.
Walking across the city center, we couldn't miss the Ankeruhr, a beautiful giant clock built in the early 1900s in the Art Nouveau style. At noon, all 12 figures parade across with music playing. Our second and last day in Vienna started with the Stadtpark, the oldest public park in Vienna, designed in a style of English landscape gardens. One of the most photographed monuments here is the golden Johann Strauss Memorial. The Hundertwasser House is one of Vienna's most unique and colorful buildings, designed by artist Friedensreich Hundertwasser. It stands out with its bright colors, uneven floors and trees growing on balconies and rooftops. The building was created as an apartment complex, and people still live there today. Hundertwasser believed in harmony with nature, which is why plants are a big part of the design. Right across the street there is a small museum and cafe where you can learn more about his work. Doesn't it remind you of Gaudi and his masterpieces in Barcelona?
Am I in Park Güell? What?
The Austrian Parliament in Vienna is a grand neo-classical building where the country's government meets. Built in the late 19th century, it was inspired by ancient Greek architecture, with large columns and a statue of the goddess Athena in front. Inside, it has impressive halls and chambers where important political decisions are made. For me, the Austrian Parliament looks more like a temple than a government hub. If you're lucky enough, you might even catch a live debate inside its historic chambers. Vienna City Hall, or Rathaus, is a stunning building known for its impressive Gothic-style architecture and tall central tower topped with the famous Rathausmann statue. Built in the late 1800s, is the seat of Vienna's mayor and city government. The large square in front, Rathausplatz, hosts popular events throughout the year, like Christmas markets and film festivals. Wow, look at the sunset. The sky is simply beautiful. The next stop is Votivkirche. It is a stunning neo-Gothic church in Vienna, built in the 19th century as a thank you gift after Emperor Franz Joseph survived an assassination attempt. Inside, you'll find beautiful stained glass windows, a grand altar, and impressive artwork. The church also houses the tomb of Count Nicholas Salm, who helped defend Vienna during the Ottoman siege in 1529. It's a peaceful place to visit, with a rich history and breathtaking architecture. Well, it's time to say goodbye, Vienna. Till next time. Although we were mostly admiring Vienna's grand architecture from outside, it was still pure magic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let me know your favorite places in Vienna and the places you think I missed out on, so I will try to catch up next time.